Hey guys, it's Susan. How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. So far, so good over this way. Today I want to show you something that I've been working on for a while. These are called my crystal intention shakers. These crystal intention shakers encompass a mini meditation practice to keep your energy focused, alive, and intentional. Because basically, we could all use a little helping hand. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to put this one together. This intention shaker is called Sun-Kissed, Fun, and Chill Shaker. And I've got a little hook here, a little purse hook, or you can put it on a bag or just set it on your table. Okay, so let's get started and I'll show you how to make this. First, you're going to need your little plastic bag or your little plastic pouch. And this measures 8 by 6 centimeters. You're going to need some paper to go into the background. You're going to need your gemstones. So I'm using sunstone, which is like an orange, has an orange glow to it. I'm also going to put in a piece of raw sunstone to give it extra sparkle. So sunstone is a stone of warmth, optimism, joy. So that's perfect for our sun-kissed shaker. So we're going to use sunstone. We're going to also use carnelian. And carnelian represents fun, spontaneity, energy, adventure. So we're going to need some of these. Amanzanite is for the chill element in our intention shaker, letting go of past negativity, letting peacefulness wash over you, going with the flow. So that's our Amanzanite. So we've got these 3 gemstones, and then to fill it in, we're going to use some gold glitter shakers. For the outside charm, on all my intention shakers, I'm putting a little quartz element there, and the quartz is the master healer stone. So this quartz will amplify all of the energies within your shaker. And then I put a little smiley face. For tools, you'll need your chain nose pliers, your round nose pliers, flush cutters, and I'm using this thing called the crocodile to set our eyelet right here in the front. And then we're going to need our purse charm. We've got a split ring, our purse charm, and for the top of our shaker, we're going to use some daisy washi tape. Okay, so let's get started. I can move some of this stuff aside. Let's start off with our plastic pouch, and this is a PVC plastic holder. You can get these on Amazon. So what I'm going to do first is I need to cut my paper to go inside of here, but I can't like go right over it because it will be too big. So I already cut one out. I made a template of exactly what would fit inside. So I'm going to go ahead and just put that over my blue paper, line it up, and then I can cut. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put this in. I have to kind of bend it to get it in. I'm not going to fold it because I don't want to crease. And then I can just use my fingers to push it down. Like that. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my gemstones. I need some more sunstone. shake it around. Okay, I think that might be good. So let me add my big sunstone right in the middle. There. Okay. Now I'm going to add my glitter. So as you can see, this is very easy to put together. I just need my spoon, and to put some of my glitters in, I'm going to use the back of my spoon. Oops, it would help if I opened it. Okay, so let's get some gold glitters. Okay, that looks nice. I think I'll add just a little bit more. There. Now we can go ahead and close our pouch. Make sure that's tight so things don't fall out. I'm going to go ahead and add my washi tape. So what I do with this is I line it up with the top of my shaker. So let's see if I can get this right at the top. Like that. And then I'm going to flip it over, put one end over, and then the other side over. And then give it a cut. Press it down. There we have it. Okay, now we need to put a hole here so we can actually hang it. Let me just straighten this out. So we can hang it from our backpack or our purse. So with this crocodile, it has two sizes, 1/8 here and 3/16 here. This is the hole punchers at the top, and the eyelet setting is here. So we're going to do the hole punch first, and I'm going to put it in this side. Let me get these things down. I'm going to put it on the left side. Make sure I have it on the right 3/16. Put it in, and I line this plastic black part up with my washi tape like that. Then I'm going to squeeze it to make my hole punch. Now to set my eyelet, I need these two components, which is my eyelet insert that I'm going to put right in the front, like that. And then the back has two parts. There's like a depressed part on one side and a more rounded part on the other side. I'm going to make sure that the rounded part is facing the outside, like that. Then using my crocodile, these have to be set. So this one is set at A, and to set it, you just pull it out and you flip it and turn it and push it back in. And this one is set at 2, the same thing. To set it, you pull it out and you flip it around. So I already have it set at 2, so it's A2. The top pointy part is going to go in the front, and the back is going to push down like this. I'm going to hang on to it and press it down, squeeze it together. And there you have it. Pretty easy. Okay, we're almost done. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my split ring and I'm going to put it on. Let's open this up. I'm going to add my purse clasp. Put this part on. Now we're going to add our quartz. This is crystal quartz, and I use quartz on the outside of each of my intention packets because quartz has a high vibration. It's amplifies whatever stones are in here, so it magnifies the intensity of your intention. So I put it on my head pin. I'm going to push it straight back. I can just use my fingernail on the top. And then I'm going to use my flesh cutters to cut. And then I need my round nose pliers. See if I can find them. To roll the wire towards me. And I'm making a simple loop. Just like that. So I'm going to put a charm on, and I've got a little sailboat because this is going to be my happy place to go when I'm on vacation. I want to be sailing around Kaanapali Bay on Maui. So I'm going to open up my jump ring. Let me find the crease. I'm going to add my charm on and my other jump ring so my boat can face forward. So that's why I'm putting on a second jump ring. Let's open this up, add it to my ring, close it down, and then for my quartz, I need another jump ring. I'm going to put it through my quartz and add that to my ring and close that. Okay. And there we have it. So that looks really nice. Now we're going to go through our mini meditation and how we use our intention shakers. How to use our intention shaker is we're going to hold it and we're going to state our intention. My intention is that I'm going to have a fun-filled, joyful day at the beach while on vacation. While I'm at the beach, I'm going to have sun-kissed fun. I'm going to be filled with warmth, sunshine, spontaneous energy, and positive vibes. I'm also going to let go of all my negativity. I'm going to have no stress, and I'm going to have a chill time there. So then what I do is I give it a shake, and then I'm going to place it on my purse or on my backpack, my travel bag, somewhere where I can see it to remind myself of my mini meditation. That's going to keep my energy focused, alive, and intentional. There are so many intentions that you can make with your gemstones. I will be putting out a video every week on a new intention. If you have an intention that you'd like me to make for you, just let me know. Drop me a comment. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you on the next one.